Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DNA Talks. In this video, we are going to see the Nobel Prize winner of 2021 in the field of medicine or physiology. The Nobel Prize was awarded jointly to David Julius and Ardaman Pataputin, and they discovered receptors which can sense the temperature, touch, and mechanical pressure. He is Ardaman Pataputin, Nobel Prize winner of 2021. He was born in 1967 in Beirut, the largest city of Lebanon. He is an American molecular biologist and neuroscientist. It is David Julius, Nobel Prize winner of 2021, born on 4 November 1955, New York. He is a professor at University of California, San Francisco. The discovery by these scientists have explained that how heat, cold, and touch can initiate signals in our nervous system. In a simpler way, we can say that the discovery is based on nervous system, how nervous system detect the touch, mechanical pressure, temperature, maybe cold or heat, anything else. They identified critical missing links in our understanding of complex interplay between senses and environment. Our ability to sense heat, cold, touch is essential for survival. Is essential for survival and underpin our interaction with the world around us. In our daily lives, we talk this sensation for granted, but how our nerve impulses initiate so that temperature and pressure can be pursued. This question has been solved by this Nobel Prize laureates. So in this diagram, the scientists trying to explain how they discover the receptors. This is the receptors TRPV1, TRPV, M8, TRP, M8, TRPV8, etc. So let's see their discoveries. Capsaicin cause burning sensation. It is extracted from chili pepper, a compound of chili pepper. It is the structure. They activate pain sensing nerve cells. Julius created library of millions of DNA fragments or gene that usually expressed in sensory neurons. They expressed individual genes to capsaicin. They take a capsaicin and the library of genes and tested every single gene with and react every single gene with capsaicin. Then after so much hard work, they find that gene which react with capsin. After so much hard work, the capsin is reacted with that gene which is responsible for the activated pain sensing nerve cells. Further investigation revealed that these genes code for novel ion channel protein, and this receptor is named as TRPV1. So it is a novel ion channel. We are in a simple language we can say that it is a ion channel gate, and outflux and influx occur in this gate. And TRP1 is heat sensing receptor. TRPV1 is a heat sensing receptor. In both scientists independently worked on chemical substance menthol, discovered another receptor called TRPV8, which activated by cold. It is activated by heat, and TRPV8 is activated by cold. So let's see the discovery of pataputin, what they did in this research. Pataputin identified electrical signal when a cell is poked with micropipette. Micropipette is essential library instrument used to transfer liquid, or in a simple term, we can say that it is a syringe or injection. Pataputin assumed that receptor activated by mechanical force is an ion channel. He also estimated that these pressure is detected by ion channels. Here is the ion channel, and Julius also assumed that ion channels. So, and they discover mechanico-sensitive ion channels and named piezo 1 and second receptor is piezo 2. Piezo 1 and piezo 2. And further study firmly established that piezo 1 and piezo 2 are ion channel that are directly activated by the exertion of pressure on the cell membrane. Piezo 1 and piezo 2 have additional important physiological process including blood pressure, respiration, and urination. The use of TRPV1 is uh, we can in this world we can take the help of this research by cold body temperature. We can there is many physiological things in a research field we can detect with these inflammatory pain, neuropathetic pain, visceral pain, protective reflexes, and the petaprotein discovery says that we can detect mechanical pain. We can use these discoveries or receptors in the study of urination, respiration, blood pressure, skeletal remodeling. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel.